Write the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is. So we have an, which is equal to minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into 5 to the power of n plus 1. So we have a1, which is minus 1 to the power of 1 minus 1, which is 0, 5 to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this would be 1 and this would be 5 to the power of 2. So this is 25. Next, a2 is minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. This would be a negative 1, while this is 5 to the power of 3. So this is minus 1, 2, 5. Right? Okay. Next thing is a3, which is minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 plus 1. So this is minus 1 square, so that is positive. And this is 5 to the power of 4, that would be 625. Next we have a4, so this would be minus 1 to the power of 4 plus 1, sorry 4 minus 1 into 5 to the power of 4 plus 1. So this is clearly a negative 1 because it's minus 1 to the power of an odd number into 5 to the power of 5. So that will be minus 3125. See, there's one thing that I would like you guys to observe. We have the first term to be positive, next is negative, positive, negative, and the next will be correct, positive. So what is influencing that? Yes, minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. Next question to you guys is, if I had to make the first term to be negative and second term to be positive, what should I use? I should change minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 to minus 1 to the power of n. Okay, if I do that, this will be negative, this will be positive, negative, positive, so on and so forth. This conceptual understanding or the understanding of how the number works is a pattern that you guys have to recognize. This is going to help you guys in harder questions. So where is that we have seen this before? In trigonometry, sine of x is, right, n pi plus minus 1 to the power of nc. That's how it is. Okay, so all these are things that we need to learn to observe and learn from it. They won't tell us directly. All of these questions are being given so that we understand more than what it is, right? Because we are in that maturity now. Okay, now minus 1 to the power of 5 minus 1. What I'm trying to encourage you guys is, you should learn to see behind the question. If it's a different question, try to learn something a bit more than what is actually expected of you guys, right? Pattern recognition is important. The whole artificial intelligence is based on that, is it not? So we ourselves doing is also pretty important. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 4, this is positive clearly, and this is I use a calculator, and this is, that would be your result.